What's up, guys? Remember this one important thing. If you rock with FBS, you rock with the best, but you already know that. So this case, we're going to bring it to you with our gold mask and our blue mask, and we're going to just kind of tell you guys the differences. If you've ever been wondering, what is the difference between gold mask versus blue mask? Well, number one, this gold mask is a version of our KUTG gold tape. If you've used that in the past, you will know that it's transparent, it's see-through. You can put it over decal work, you can put it over graphic work, you can trim it out, you can cut it. It has a super low profile for airbrushing, so you don't have a heavy paint ridge to worry about. It is a modified rice paper with a solvent-proof and waterproof coating on it, and it is one of the only products in the whole entire industry that's completely repositionable. Now, the difference with blue mask is it is a vinyl product. And just like our gold tape being a derivative of our actual KUTG gold tape, our blue mask is a byproduct of our actual blue fine line tape. So you get that medium rigid curvature, tight curves, and you can build a nice product for that, as well as it is a vinyl type product that is not see-through, however, does provide a razor thin edge, and you won't have to worry about permeation from solvents. Now, this is a big problem that people don't really understand about plottable products. If you have a plottable sign product out there, chances are it's made for permanent sign use, which means you plot it out, you print on it, you cut it, you apply it to a store window, to a storefront, to a signboard, and that's it. It stays there. It's supposed to stay there permanently. The difference between blue mask versus a lot of those other plottable products, maybe not all, but I'll tell you this much, a lot, is because we make it out of our actual fine line tape, it is made for solvent and waterborne product, which means the chemicals will not, once they're sprayed on this, will not impermeate and distort the actual substrate itself or distort the actual product itself, and will not release adhesive all over the place. This is the benefit of using the proper tool for the proper job, FBS Blue Mask or your gold mask for all your artistic use. If you guys like the video, please let us know. We always want to try and create more content that's as good for you, as good for the user. Because that's what we design these products for. We design them for the painters by painters. So we hope you guys like this quick video. Hope you hit us up in case you have any other questions. Thanks very much.